So what I'm about to do, I'm going to go up, I'm going to put the bracket on to the solar light, and then I'll fix the light on. So as you see, the bracket is, I'm going to put it that way, and then the solar light just slides into it, and then we'll see if it works, because hopefully it'll be dark in a bit. This is the solar panel light that I've brought to go up on the outside of the barn. Although we do have electricity, I just thought this would be quite a good one to just come on over night time. As you can see, it's got the solar panel there, and then it's got this bracket that just moves up and down. I think this was 504 LEDs, so it should throw out quite a bit of light. And I think it cost me about £15. So let's see if it works. Okay, so that was a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. So the bracket has literally just got a piece where you just slide the arm of the light into a recess on the plate that goes onto the wood. When I did it down here, it just went straight in. Oh my God. Up there, I don't know if it was because the wind was blowing the light or what, but I just couldn't get it to just seat in. So what I had to do, I had to go a little bit higher on the ladder, and then I had to rest it on my shoulder to almost steady it. So that was a lot harder. It's an easy concept, but actually, in reality, that was a lot harder. So it's done, so let's see if it'll stay up. I'll probably come tomorrow and it'll be down on the floor, but hey ho. So I've just gone and got the remote control for it. I haven't got a clue if it talks to it or not. So this is the yard, and the reason I've put this up is because when I leave the yard, this is how dark it is. But then look at the light that's shown. It's unbelievable. All that from one solar light. That is just, you see the difference? And then what I'm going to do is I'll stand here and I'll wait for it to go out, because it's on a detection thing. So within a few seconds it's going to go out. So I'll wait for it to go out, and then you'll see how dark it goes. That is unbelievable. From one 15 pound light. Look at that. Honestly, I just cannot believe it. Please
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.